What's good, everybody? It's Malawi and welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of these. You might think they're hard to make, but they're actually very simple. And we're going to be doing all of this on an iPhone. But if you're an Android user, don't worry, I got you, and download link is in the description. Anyway, remember, drop a like and subscribe. Really means a lot and helps the channel grow, so thank you. And the application used in this video for editing is called Video Leap. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to get a solid green picture, and you're going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9, and you're going to want to zoom in the picture so that it fills up the whole screen. Next, you're going to want to get your subscribe or like PNG and put it in Mixer, then resize it to the desired size. Next, you're going to go in Mixer, and then you're going to add the arrow PNG, and again you're going to resize it to the desired size. And next, I want you to click that position placer right there, and that's what you're going to use to animate the arrow. So you're going to place that wherever you want the arrow to move. So I'm going to place it there and then move it there. So whenever I go back, the animation is going to move, and you're going to want to place them for the mouse clicks. For the mouse clicks, you're going to make it smaller and then bigger so it looks like a click. And this is what it looks like. Next, you're going to want to save it in 720 or 1080, but always save it at 60 FPS because that gives the cleanest animations. And this is the final result of what it looks like on screen. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end, and if you're not subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Really hope you enjoyed the video and got something out of it, and with that being said, see you guys in the next upload.